To apply changes into a setting of any particular widget, click on the setting icon. This is going to be same for all the widgets. From here you can set the refresh time of the widget. You can change the panel background of the color, maximize widget color, set the menu icon color. So first what we are going to do is we will align title to center, title font size to 16, and select italic and bold A Times New Roman. Title background icon table, and change the icon color. You can hide the subtitle, enable socket, and from here you can hide this table into desktop, hide in mobile, hide in icons in the preview, enable or disable the auto link, adjust the borders, and you can apply the color settings to the box and the widget panel.